Hey guys, I'm back with my video. Welcome to all the beautiful soul. I am Preeti and welcome to the Law of Attraction community where we talk about law of attraction, spirituality and more about law of attraction manifestation technique. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to do act as if technique in an efficient way. So let's get started. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button and let me know that you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more new updates and press that bell icon. So what is this law of attraction act as if technique is all about? Well, to define this act as if technique, I must tell you that our brain doesn't know the difference between what we are thinking and what is the reality is all about, right? The universe is unlimited, infinite. So there is no limitation, okay? The limitation belongs in our mind. When we will get that manifestation done, when this manifestation will happen, all these limitations happen in our mind. Universe doesn't know any kind of limitations. It doesn't know any kind of negative or positive thing. Well, I must tell you there is nothing called negative and positive. We have labeled those things as negative and positive, right? Happiness as positive and angry, becoming frustrated, those are negative things. We have named those things as negative. Well, there is nothing called positive and negative. Whatever we are feeling good, those thoughts are positive, and whatever our vibrations are making us down, those vibrations, those feelings are negative, right? So act as if technique means our brain doesn't know the difference between the imagination and reality, right? What is the difference? So what we need to do as we need to think our manifestation in such a way that it becomes the reality. Are you getting my point? You need to think your manifestations in such a way that your reality becomes that manifestation. Okay, so as we don't know the difference, if we start to believe, if we change our belief system, that limiting belief system to utmost positive belief system, that this is possible, I can feel these things to be coming true. If I do start believing these things, then the shifting will start to happen. Then your manifestation will come to you much faster way. This is the most effective technique that you can use while manifesting. So this is the my favorite and most favorite, I must say. Act as a technique is my most favorite technique after meditation. This makes me so much happy, and it removes all the negative beliefs from my mind. After doing the meditation, I start to do this act as if technique and visualize my manifestation as if it's already done, it's complete. So this is the most effective technique that you can use at home or wherever you are, right? So how to do this technique? First, you need to remove the negative belief. How to remove those negative beliefs? You need to affirm and affirm and affirm and affirm. Why affirmation is so powerful? Because repetition, the more you repeat one thing, the more you will repeat, it will start to make your belief system in that way. Are you getting my point? If you start to believe that you are not at all good in maths, you are not at all good in studies, well, dear friends, you will not get the good results. I'm assuring you that you will not get the good results because you are already in that stage. You have already prepared your mind to believe in that way. Okay, if you start to believe and if you start to affirm within your mind that you are able to create a life which you are destined, Well, what is the definition of destination? Well, I must tell you. The definition of destination I can describe in this way that subconscious mind, right? Those thoughts, all the consistent thought that we are consistently putting on our subconscious mind, those becomes our destination. I repeat, those thoughts we are consistently putting in our subconscious mind, that becomes our destination. Whatever you are doing at present will become your destiny. If you want to be good at studies, you need to study right now. If you want to score good marks in future exams, you need to start study right now, right? If you are procrastinating your studies, then your marks will not be that much of great. I mean, that much good. Whatever you are manifesting, no. So acting as if technique means visualizing those manifestation as if you have already manifested. You have already done your manifestation. You have received that text you manifested. You had received that phone call that you manifested. You had received that, I mean, you had already attracted that specific person into your life. You had attracted already that dream job you are manifesting. So you need to sit quietly, or you can lie down on your bed before going to sleep or after you wake up. Do this technique to get the best results of your manifestations. This is the most effective technique. This is my favorite technique, I must say. I have always got the result. I mean, I got the result so I got the result means so beautifully, so magically and amazingly. So you must also try this technique, and I hope this video has inspired you. If this video has inspired you, let me know in the comment section, and I will be posting much more videos regarding the techniques of manifestations of law of attraction. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.